So today we're going to go over how to use Destiny Discover in order to locate resources in the WHS LLC's print and ebook collection. So right now I have navigated to the high school website. I'm going to click on the Destiny button. And once we're into the Destiny button, you're going to pick on the high school link. And once you're in the link, you're not going to put in a username or password. You're going to use the Google single sign-on. And once you get the single sign-on, it's going to take you into the Destiny Discover page, which will be looking like this. So once you're logged in, you'll see your name here. You'll notice that you have this dashboard with updated information. If you scroll down, you'll see most circulated, different genres, different types of ebooks, audiobooks, etc. But if I'm looking for a specific book, I could put the title or subject into the search bar. So I'm going to start with that. You're going to notice that I put American, not in direct quotes, but I edited and did Civil War. So I want Civil War together in my search, and I want American to be related because there's other Civil Wars in history. When I do that, it's going to filter the entire collection with a broad search. And now, right now I have over 200 titles. What I would then recommend is go to your filters. But what's most important is sublocation. And sublocation is going to give me different areas to look at. And I don't want historical fiction. I don't want classics. I want nonfiction. So I'm going to get down to 171 titles. And what you're going to notice now is that I'm going to see a wide variety of books. I can even filter this more to do it by most recently published or added to the library. And it's going to reorder them. And you're going to see the most recent books related with American Civil War that are going to be updated here. So as I'm looking for books, I'm going to look for books that have the green in button on them. I'm going to click on it. And the first thing I'm going to do is hit View More Details. It's going to give me the call number, so I can find it on the shelf. If it's a numerical number, that means it's in nonfiction, and you're going to look for the author's last name. You're going to look for sublocation, which will also be helpful, nonfiction, because some of our books that relate to Civil War are also in historical fiction, which is not what you're looking for most likely, but I want you to be aware of that. And then if this is a book that I like, I can read the overview. I can go to the shelf and see if it's a book that's relevant to me. And if I like it, I could check it out. But at the same point, I could also go to citations. And I am able to capture an MLA citation, an APA citation, or a Chicago citation. And when I click on this format, I would just click here, see the green light at the bottom, copied, and bring that over to my Noodle Tools software or to my Works Cited page. If you need help locating books, come visit us in the LLC. We'd be happy to work with you.